Ever found yourself lost in the labyrinth of SEO management? You're not alone. Struggling with the complex web of daily keyword rank tracking, conducting thorough keyword research, and monitoring those elusive backlinks can feel like a never-ending cycle. It's a juggling act that demands precision and dedication. But what if we told you there's a way to streamline this process? A way to navigate the maze with ease? If you're nodding along, we have a solution that might just put an end to your SEO woes: SERPBOT. Enter SERPBOT, your one-stop solution to SEO management. This ingenious tool is not just a companion, it's a game-changer in the realm of search engine optimization. Its features are designed to streamline your SEO projects, offering daily keyword rank tracking, comprehensive keyword research, and vigilant backlink monitoring. Now let's delve into the specifics. SERPBOT provides daily, fully automatic ranking checks for all the keywords in your SEO projects, and even better, it's free of charge. It's like having a personal SEO assistant that never sleeps. But that's not all. SERPBOT also offers localized keyword tracking, enabling you to gain insights into your performance in specific regions. Worried about tracking multiple domain projects? Fear not. SERPBOT allows you to track an unlimited number of domain projects. It's like having a limitless SEO toolbox at your disposal. And if you're in the mood for some SEO history, SERPBOT keeps track of your keyword ranking history, providing a detailed diagram for each keyword and your entire project. But wait, there's more. SERPBOT offers 1,500 daily keyword ranking checks, complete with data on cost per click, competition, and search volumes. It's like having an SEO fortune teller, predicting your online success. SERPBOT also introduces search orders for topic areas, providing search volume data, CPC, and competition data for lucrative new keywords. It's like having an SEO treasure map guiding you to untapped opportunities. In essence, SERPBOT is the tool that serves all your SEO needs, saving you valuable time and money. It's not just a tool, it's your SEO companion, ever ready to help you conquer the digital world. But that's not all. SERPBOT offers more than just SEO management. With our Pro version, you unlock access to an advanced keyword tool, complete with suggestions, search volume data, and SEO competition metrics for each keyword. Plus, you get daily rechecks with SERPBOT's backlink checker. The usability of SERPBOT is top-notch, using special colors to highlight keywords that rank within the top 10, 20, and 30 positions. Simply put, SERPBOT is not just a tool, it's your SEO companion. Ready to take your SEO game to the next level? Allow SERPBOT to be the ace up your sleeve. With daily keyword rank tracking, research, and backlink monitoring, you can conquer the SEO landscape. No need for costly tools, SERPBOT offers all these features and more. Imagine having 1,500 daily keyword ranking checks at your fingertips. Or how about an automatic backlink checker? It's all here, don't wait. Click on the link in the description and start your journey with SERPBOT today.